Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video for you about the DJI Care Refresh program, and this now includes flyaway coverage, which is excellent. We wanted this for a while now and we've finally got it. So we're going to discuss it today, the price, what it is, how to activate it, is it any good? Let's go and find out. So you can get the DJI Care Refresh program for your DJI Mini 2 and it's £45, and that's for a 1-year plan. Provides 2 replacement drones for a small charge, but it now includes flyaway cover, which it didn't do before. So you're now getting cover for accidental damage like water damage, collisions, missing aircraft, or if you've now got a flyaway, it also covers that. Before you'd have to send any logs off to DJI, they'd check the weather conditions, the user, but now you actually get it covered in one full package. So you're going to be then covered for accidental damage on your drone and also in case of a flyaway, so that's really good. So you can take out the DJI Care Refresh on all the DJI products. We're going to be focusing today on the DJI Mini 2. This is also dependent on country. There are a few terms and conditions which we'll go through, but the standalone price for the Mini 2 is £45 for the year, but you have got to be quick. You have to activate it within the first 48 hours, this plan, otherwise you cannot use it. So this is for anyone who's not got the drone yet. So as soon as you get that drone, you've got 48 hours to sign up for this plan. You can do it directly on the drone, on the DJI Fly app, or on the official DJI website. It will then ask you for your aircraft serial number, and then it will add that Care Refresh plan to your drone. It will then bind that plan so you're all completely covered. All the links for this official website will be in the description below, so you can just click that if you do wish to purchase. But if you've not bought that drone yet, it's definitely something which I recommend getting for that peace of mind. But do remember, you've only got 48 hours to activate it. If you've got that drone, you've not got it unboxed yet, make sure when you do, 48 hours notice, get it done. £45 for the year is excellent for peace of mind in one decent package now, including flyaways. So at the moment, the Flyaway Refresh plan is only applicable for the DJI Mini 2 and the Mavic Air 2. I'm sure other drones will be included, but for now it's just them. And the fees are for the Flyaway replacement, $225, but I've got the UK prices here. The Flyaway replacement price is £209. The damage price for accidental damage, the first drone is going to be £45. And then if you need to replace a second drone in that 12-month period, it's £55. So that is really decent if you damage your drone. If you've gone to cause some accidental damage, or you get water damage, or you're flying and it just starts raining, then £45 it replaces it. I remember once I didn't have any of these plans and I had my drone just about ready to take off, and it was the Mavic Mini 1 on the beach, and then all of a sudden the tide just came in a lot more severe than it did before, and it went over the drone, soaked it, absolutely knackered. So that was just fit for the bin. I had to buy a new drone fully because I didn't have any plans or insurance. So for £45 or £55 if it's your second drone, that's excellent. There has also been reports of people experiencing flyaways, which I know is rare, but it does happen, especially in high wind. If you don't get your drone back, then that is now covered, which we haven't had before, and it's only covered at the moment, as I said, on the Mini 2 and the Mavic Air 2. £209 replaces it on the Mini 2, so that's less than half the price of the drone, so it's definitely worth doing, guys. You can purchase different plans. What I'm talking about today is just the standard 1-year DJI Care Refresh plan. So again, that offers 2 replacements, and it also covers for 1 flyaway. You can get the 2-year plan that offers 3 replacements and 2 flyaways, but to be honest, you must have really bad luck to be experiencing that much problems with your drone or flyaways. So I would just get the 1-year plan, £45, and then just pay the excess, and then you've got that massive peace of mind. So in order to use the flyaway coverage, you need to bind it to your account. It's really easy to do. So open up the Fly app, click on Profile, and then under Profile you've now got a device management. Click on that, and then on that there you'll see Bind to Account. That will then just ask you and just to confirm your email address and password. Press Next, and then that will then automatically be binded to the account. So if you do experience in a flyaway, then DJI knows it's your drone, it's your controller, and there's no problems or there's no delays in getting that aircraft sent out to you. So the link to purchase this on the DJI official website will be linked at the top of the description below, so make sure you click on that if you go and want to purchase it. £45 I think is excellent value. If you are in a different country, just check on the website, make sure it is valid in your country, but it should be. But just remember them key points. You have to do this in the first 48 hours, and then you've got to bind the drone and the remote controller on the DJI Fly app, just like I've just shown you then on the last slide. So the link to buy this in the description below. Go and check that out. I absolutely think it's really good value now. £45 for the year. I think it's better than any insurance plan you can go out and get there. It's official through the DJI website. Peace of mind. Hope you liked that quick video for you guys. Take care. See you soon.